Blessings, everyone, and welcome to the Tarry homestead. So, I have a little quartet right here. So, I heard that there was like a watermelon wars with a Z. And so, I thought I might join. Let a Cali entry join in. So, here is the Carolina Cross, which I heard is pretty good. Then we got the Crimson Sweet. And then we got the Bush Sugar Baby. And then we have the Jubilee. And I have some other watermelon seeds that are coming in the mail. So, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm late in the game. Some of y'all already growing. And I did grow watermelons last year. I got about 4 watermelons. It was the Sugar Baby. And it did really well. But so I'm going to try again. But this time I'm going to have a planter, especially just for the watermelon. So I'm going to have my own watermelon patch. And I'm going to use a round grow bag that I got from Temu. So it's really big. It's like a swimming pool, like a kiddie pool, but it's got very high walls. So I'm going to try that out. So I'm going to join in on this watermelon wars. Hey, you never know. I just might be the underdog, So I think I'm going to just give it a try. It seems like it's going to be fun. And like you all said, watermelon is actually good for you. I like watermelon. I don't love watermelon. Now, my husband and my daughter, Buttercup, love watermelon. My husband also juices the rind, and we always give the chickens the pulp. So, yeah, it's really good for you, but I'm not really like a huge fan. It has to be super cold and very crisp. Like when you bite in it, it's just like there's like this crunch. I can't do soggy watermelon. I just can't do it. So it just makes me just want to. So yeah, no soggy watermelon for me. So last year the Sugar Baby turned out really well, and I love the fact that these have seeds. So I thought I saved seeds from my last year harvest, but I can't find where I put them. Watch, I find them when I'm not really looking for them. But I definitely will be harvesting seeds from these. And so count me in the garden community who are joining the watermelon wars. All right, get in where you fit in on this, right? All right, thank you for watching Tarry Until He Come Homestead. I'm Sister Marcel, and may you all have a blessed day.